Earn $100 per day with Binance Copy Trading. Step-by-step guide. Earn $100 per day with Binance Copy Trading. Step-by-step guide. Binance Copy Trading allows users to automatically replicate the trading strategies of experienced traders. If executed effectively, it can be a potential way to earn $100 a day. However, profits are not guaranteed, as cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. Below is a detailed step-by-step guide to get started. Step 1. Understand copy trading. Copy trading involves following and automatically replicating the trades of seasoned traders. Instead of manually trading, your account mirrors the actions of the selected trader in real time. Step 2. Create and fund your Binance account. Sign up. Register for a Binance account if you don't have one. Complete KYC verification for full access. Sign up on Binance. Deposit funds. Deposit the desired capital to start copy trading. A minimum of $1,000 is recommended to aim for $100 per day, 10% daily profit, though this depends on the trader's strategy and market conditions. Step 3. Access the Binance Copy Trading platform. Navigate to the Binance Trading Tools section if Binance doesn't have a built-in copy trading tool in your region. Consider third-party platforms like Signally or 3 that integrate with Binance for copy trading. Alternatively, use Binance Futures Leaderboard, which showcases top-performing traders. Step 4. Select a trader to copy. Evaluate traders. Profitability. Check the historical performance. Risk level. Look for a trader with a risk score you're comfortable with. Trading frequency. Choose one aligned with your goals, e.g., high frequency for daily profits. Assets traded. Focus on traders specializing in cryptocurrencies you're familiar with. Diversify. Avoid putting all your capital behind a single trader. Spread your investments across 2 to 3 traders to mitigate risks. Step 5. Set up your copy trading. Allocate capital. Assign a portion of your funds to each trader. Avoid over-leveraging. Define risk management rules. Set stop-loss and take profit levels. Limit the percentage of your funds allocated to any single trade. Step 6. Monitor and adjust. Track performance. Regularly monitor the trader's results. Replace underperforming traders if needed. Stay updated. Keep an eye on market trends and updates from the traders you follow. Step 7. Withdraw profits. Once your trades consistently generate profits, withdraw a portion for reinvestment or personal use. Be disciplined and don't overtrade. Tips for success. Start small. Begin with a manageable investment to understand the process. Continuous learning. Understand the market and the strategies of the traders you copy. Risk management. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Potential challenges. Market volatility. High volatility can lead to unexpected losses. Over-reliance on traders. No trader guarantees consistent profits. Fees. Binance and third-party tools may charge trading and subscription fees, affecting net profits. By carefully selecting traders and implementing risk management, you can increase your chances of earning $100 per day with Binance Copy Trading. However, always remember that the cryptocurrency market involves significant risks. Proceed cautiously,